Hello guys, I hope y'all are having a great day. It's Wednesday at 1 Central, so you know what that means. It's time for us to make a pretty card, and I'm going to be making a Christmas version of this cute wedding card. Hi Carol. I hope that you know that Stampin' Up! Has a whole set of products that are online called online exclusives, and they are, if you're not shopping in the online exclusive area, it's like you're missing a whole catalog. Okay, there's some really cute stuff there, and this cute little classic wedding stamp set is no exception. So you will want to make sure that you pop into that online exclusive section of our website and check it out. This is a card that I made for my team gathering recently, and I want to Christmasify it. So we can always take something and make it Christmas, and we're going to do that together today. So welcome. My name is Kay Cogbill. My business is papermadeprettier.com. We're starting the 10 days of Christmas today. I'll be making 10 projects over the course of not weekends, but weekdays. And I'm going to try to go on live these days around 1 Central. I also, that's my lunch break. If things happen in my other life that keep me from getting there, then stay tuned. So that is my plan for this series. All right, so we are going to Christmasify this card. This is a card that would be perfect for a wedding. I don't know, I love the petal pink and the calypso coral and the soft sea foam, but we are going to make it Christmas. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is start with a piece of basic white, and we're going to make our red car. Now, it's Christmas, so of course we need a red car. We don't want just any old car. And when I first saw this set, I was like, oh, I don't want to color that. That would be a pain. But I realized that the stamp itself does the coloring, which I think is really cool. I don't see that it's listed as being a distinctive stamp set, and that just means that it's a specific style that looks like it's been painted, but I do think it is a distinctive stamp set. And we're going to just make it look good. So first you're going to stamp your car in Memento black ink. Then we're going to get our red, real red, of course, and we're going to ink this up. So you can see it inks up irregularly. That's on purpose, okay? And then I have thought, this would be a good one to use in my stamp positioning tool, but I have freehanded it so many times and it came out perfectly. So no need to even put it in a stamp tool. Now look, it looks like I hand colored that, and I absolutely did not. So number one reason to buy this set is it's fabulous for that. Now, there are some details of this little card that we want to color in. So I'm just going to color these in with a smoky slate marker. And then I interpret this to be like a chrome bumper. So we're going to color this in with smoky slate as well. So I've just got smoky slate here. To me, smoky slate Stampin' Blend marker is the best for like that silver look. And then I'm going to come in here and color in this area around the window as smoky slate. Okay. Now, we can leave this as is. I think would be one possibility. Let me see if I've got those stamps close. I do have that stamp close. Let me see if I've got see if it's on the other table. I'm looking for the one for the wheels. I made a card with this last night. All right. I don't see it, but let me look one more place. Yeah. Okay. We're just going to color the wheels in with our smoky slate marker, but there is a cute little stamp here that we can use to stamp it if we choose to, but we're just going to have blackish color wheels. But you can see the look. If you do stamp the window and the wheels, this is what it looks like. I just don't know where the wheel and the window stamped. Well, I don't have the right ink pad for that right now. Okay, so let us go ahead and take this cute little Christmas card, and we're going to stick it in our emboss machine. And we're going to use our Classic Wedding dies. So you definitely want the bundle here, because you want to be able to cut out this cute car with your dies. Okay. Let me see if I've got any tape close by, any washi tape. I guess we can just wing it. All right, so we're gonna put this on top. Nope, I'm gonna move it. Let me get some washi tape. I can never anticipate all the things that I'm gonna need when I'm doing a video. If you guys can appreciate live crafting, if you've ever done it before, you know there's always something that you thought you had that you need that you don't have in front of you. Okay, so we're gonna zip this through our emboss machine, cut out that little car. He is so cute. I love it. And voila, isn't that quick and easy? All right, now what we're gonna do is we're going to use the stamp in here that looks like this. It's like a greenery, okay? And I choose to use the color, my favorite greenery to use is soft seafoam. It's very, it's just, to me, it's just the right color for a greenery, because I just don't like really stark greenery. I like for my greenery to be present, but not like overpowering. So there's one, and we're gonna make two of these little, I guess you'd call them fronds. And then we're gonna use our dies to cut that out. So back to our machine. We're gonna run this through twice. So let's do that again. Get some more washi tape. So we're gonna line this up. Right, so hello, Carol. Thank you for sharing. You're so good to do that. And hello, Betty. I love it when you share, because the more people that watch, the more fun we have. And then, of course, I know there's always people that watch the replay on Facebook. So thanks if you're watching on the replay. And also, if you're watching on YouTube, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss another video on YouTube. I upload them every week from our Facebook Live video. So, and with these 12 days of Christmas, you want to watch every day. So this is day 1, so you're not behind yet. And we will be going live around 1 every day. My goal is to be there at 1, but like I said, life happens and sometimes it doesn't work out perfectly, but close to 1. I will post in the Facebook group if things are gonna be off kilter. Okay, so now we have our little fronds. And also, I've pre-cut this banner with soft sea foam and some little flowers. So I have some red, real red flowers and some petal pink roses, okay? So we're still going to use this same layout, but with gorgeous fronds. Now, obviously, you could use cheers here or congratulations, but I went to my stamps and I looked for some teeny Christmas sentiments. We have, you want to go with something that's photopolymer because you want to be able to twist it. And I think I'm going to use this one that says Good Tidings. It is in the Sophisticated Sled set. So Good Tidings is what we're using. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to set this down and we're going to twist it. So this is how you can make your photopolymer stamps work in your favor. So we're going to twist it and then we're going to grab it. And actually sometimes that works, or sometimes we just have to twist it and then adjust. Oh, you know what? We could also do this now that I think about it. So kind of eyeball it. Let's see what that does. Too twisty. Let's de-twist it a tiny bit. Okay, we're good there. Just a smidge down this way. Just a smidge down that way. Perfect. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and stamp this in black so it will show up well. Oh, I love it. Okay. So, Good Tidings, and now we're going to put our card together. I have chosen for my card, my background for this card, this paper called A Little Bit Festive, okay? This is a 12 by 12 designer paper, and it's actually got 3 sets of designer paper with some Christmas die cuts. So it's a neat, very versatile designer paper, but I like the vintage look that we're about to use with this pattern. So this is the pattern that we're going to use right here. Isn't that so cute? I just think it looks very vintagey to go with our vintage Christmas vehicle. All right, so we're going to side that up with our thick, we're going to use a thick white card base. And we're just covering that whole piece, 5.5 by 4 1/4. I will send you the recipe cards for all of these cards, recipe for the dimensions of all of these cards on email. So you're going to want to subscribe to my email if you haven't already. I'll put a link in Facebook in this information as soon as I get done here, and also on YouTube so that you can subscribe to my email list. That way you won't miss any of the other 12 days of Christmas, and you'll get those recipe cards every day. All right, so we're going to pop our little Christmas card, our Christmas car down. And now we're going to pop that down, pop all our little things down. So where is my deal? So we're going to start with our fronds. And I'm just going to eyeball these first. I made multiple. I made 12 of these cards when I made my swaps, and you don't need to overthink this part. Like don't measure it. Don't like try to get too technical with it. Just kind of put your fronds down because you're going to do a lot to these fronds, okay? And you're going to get some liquid glue, and we are going to glue these down. So we're going to go 1, 2, and if they don't meet exactly, it's okay. You'll see. 3, actually practiced on the other side of that. You can see that. 4, All right, so you've got all your little fronds down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pop up this little good tidings thing, banner. We're going to use mini dimensionals here. Precious. Oh my gosh, this is turning out so cute. I knew it would be, but it's cuter than I thought. I had it made in my head. I just wasn't sure what it would look like on made. But isn't it wonderful when things turn out better than we think? I want to move these just a little. And the beauty of liquid glue is we can reposition things for a minute. So while liquid glue is not my favorite, sometimes it does work to our advantage. So you're going to put a little dot of glue here, a dot of glue here. You're going to put 2 here, 1, 2, and then 1 here, and then 2 here. Like I said, I made 12 of these, so I kind of remembered that part of it. And this would be a perfect time for me to use my Take Your Pick tool, which is on the other table. So we're just going to put these little flowers down. We're going to tuck one of them under there. We're going to pop this one here. We're going to pop this one here. To me, these red ones kind of look like poinsettias. And of course, I don't know, at first I was going to do the roses pink, and then I was like, I'm sorry, red. But no, I wanted them pink. I just love pink. And I think this makes it look a little bit more vintagey. And the last one, nope, we've got this one. I think I'm missing one little glue dab, which can go right here. All right. Perfect. So we've got all of our little glues. Now, because it's Christmas, we do need to sparkle. And I'm choosing to use some gold sequins for a little Christmas bling. And I love this card. It's a cute version of this card, but ready and all decked out for Christmas. So I hope that you enjoy that. Here are some other cards made with this set. This is a card that we're making at card class on Tuesday. So if you live in Central Arkansas, sign up for class. I just emailed out the sign-up sheet for that today and also posted it on Facebook. So poke around there. Message me if you can't find it. But you can also take my Christmas class to go anytime. So sign up for that class. It'll be, the live class is on the 26th at 6:30, and the online class is on the 27th at 1 o'clock Central. So that'll be day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of Christmas. We're making another Christmas card there. For the 12 days of Christmas, the orders of $50 or more will get 10 free made Christmas cards from me. If you order $75 or more, you're going to get a free embellishment. Okay, shop with me at papermadeprettier.com and look for K Cogbill. Also, for Christmas, I have I'm selling these great adhesive packs for you to gift yourself. Okay, they come complete with a Christmas tag, and it's a cute little bag, and it's full of adhesives. You're going to get 2 mini and a small dimensional, a Stampin' Seal plus a refill, and a liquid glue and a mini glue dot. Okay, so all the things that you're going to need either to get through the Christmas crafting season or to come out on the other side of it with what you need to start off 2025 with a bang. All right, I hope you've enjoyed these classic wedding and Christmas cards, and we will see you tomorrow for the second day of Christmas. Bye.